Hello friends, welcome to my channel AutoCAD Connoisseur, and I'm your host, I'm your coach, I'm your trainer Ranjan Sharma on my channel. I warm welcome you on my channel AutoCAD Connoisseur, and today's video would be very interesting, and I'll be teaching you how to exactly and quickly create polygons, regular or irregular, of desired length of arms. And this video I would suggest would be highly helpful to those people who feel like that they are not so good in drafting and they really want to know the quick methods of learning how to create a polygon or any regular or irregular within no time. I'm not here to teach you the regular conventional method that add the rate, add length, add angle, and you can create a polygon. As you can see in front of my screen, I'm going to make best use of parametrics. Alright friends, without wasting any more time, let me take you to the AutoCAD. And before starting the video, please like, share my video, and if possible please comment in the comment section what kind of videos would you like to see. I'll be creating more parametrics videos, so let's begin. Alright friends, as you can see that I have created a polygon of length 200. Now by the use of parametrics I can even change its side to 120, so you will see the entire polygon has changed. Even if I want some fractional values, I can do it 130.56, even it will pick that also. So here it is saying 130.6. Why? Because in the units, you go to units and enter a double precision, it will show you. But the thing is how I have created both of these polygons. So let's start the key areas. So first of all, delete everything, just saving the file. Alright, type POL. I'm going slow. Enter number of sides, say 6. Center of polygon, right click, inscribe one, maybe any polygon. You can click here ortho, you can just create a polygon. Alright, and you can just make it red for your convenience. And now pay attention, you need to go to parametrics. Here parametrics, there is something called geometric parameter equal. You need to select it, click here, right click, multiple, and start selecting 1 2 3 4 5 6, enter. That's it, the geometric constraint has been applied. You again say save. Then second step is you need to go to the dimensional constraint. You click it here, you go to the align one, you go it here, you right click, go to object, click here, it will show you 134. That is the desired one. I haven't designed it, so it is picking it by its own. Now see, we can really name the value. Let us say the length of the arm is A, enter, it will take A. And let us say I want polygon of arm length 250, enter, and it will just create. See, it has created. Now even if you want to reduce this to 125, it will do it quickly. See how easy it is. Doesn't it seems like magic? Yes or no? Okay, so make sense? But some people would be saying, sir, this was we don't believe you, please confirm it. For those students, you can go to annotate, you can go to align, you can start checking. This is 125, do it again. So my dear friends and students, it is 120. I never create fake videos, and I only prepare those videos who nobody else is going to teach you. Let's take one more example. I take a polygon, I will take a non-polygon this time, maybe of 9 sides, enter, center of polygon, inscribe one, maybe subscribe, whatever you like, you click it here. Alright, then you can name it green, whatever you like. Alright, then what else you need to do? You go to parametric, say equal, it will right click, say multiple, you started clicking 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, enter, you are done. You say save, you go to dimensional constraint, then you go to align, you say object, click here, it is saying D1, that distance 1, we can name it, sorry, we can delete this is of no need to us, we can name it B, length B. So I want non-polygon of desired length maybe 80.0, it will say 80. So have fun. Does it make sense? Maybe 63.25, it will take that also. So my dear friends, you see, it is so very easy and you can have fun. All right, you can re-check it also. You can go to the annotation tab, you can set aligned one, you can right click, you see it is 163.3. Okay sir, why is this problem? Okay, no issues. You can go to de-enter, you can go to modify, and here you can just click 2 digits, enter, so you will see. So friends and students, does it make sense? All right, so you saw how easy it is to create a polygon or any rectangle or any triangle with the help of parametrics. So keep watching my videos. I'm here to make each and every one of you, the AutoCAD users, an expert. Don't believe on any other fake things. Please subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and of course, if you find that I should make more expertise videos, please give me so many likes that I would make a video for the parametrics. And so thanks for watching. Happy drafting. Good day. Thank you.